One of the major changes in Moodle 2.3 is how assignments are handled. Instead of adding multiple assignment types from the first drop-down, you now have a number of choices within the assignment creation module. With editing turned on in your course, click on Add an Activity or Resource to add an assignment. Please note that there are still two areas for assignments and Turnitin assignments, since Turnitin operates as a separate feature of Moodle. But if you're using a regular assignment, you can choose the Assignment Radio button and click Add. Like previous assignments, you still need to type in a name and a description in order for Moodle to accept the assignment. But this is where we start to have some differences. The submissions allow submissions from and due date are the same, and the Prevent Late Submissions button is the same. But now you can choose whether or not you'd like to require students to click a Submit button, or if once they upload a file, their submission is complete. There are also some features where people who are grading an assignment can be notified when an assignment is uploaded. The default is now yes. You may want to change it to no. In the submission settings is where you start to choose your options, whereas before you chose them right at the beginning. Now you can choose whether or not you would like to have students submit online text, a file to satisfy the assignment, or both. So if you want to give the students the option to copy and paste text into Moodle, or to allow a file submission, you can set both to yes. If you'd like students to only be able to do one or the other, you can set them to no. If you just want to have an assignment show on your front Moodle page, and you don't want students to submit it through Moodle, you can set both of them to no. This replaces the choices that you had at the beginning in the previous version of Moodle, where you chose either a file upload, online text, or a multi-part assignment. In this case, I'm going to leave the default to file submission and no online text. You can now also choose the maximum number of files, so you no longer have to choose either a one file type or a multiple file type. Now you just choose the number of files you'd like to be able to be submitted to satisfy the assignment. In this case, I'm going to choose it as 2. In the feedback settings, you now need to set this. If you'd like to offer feedback to a student's submission in the grading portion, you need to set feedback comments to yes, so that a text box appears for you to add comments. And you need to set feedback files to yes if you would like to upload a response file, such as a rubric or an edited response. This will now allow you to either show those response areas in your grading screen or not show them if you do not use those features. All of the other features on grading and activity completion and restrictions are the same, so then you can save and return the course to finish your assignment.